What's up, everyone, for another video? I know it's not random crap, but guess what? In this video, we are going to make... Wait for it. Pizza! Yeah, you heard me! Pizza! First of all, we need to get the ingredients. First, for pizza, we need one thing. The pizza. Yes, you heard me. The pizza. First of all, now, this is how you do it. Instructions. First, pizza box and pizza. That's all you can need. Now, for the ingredients. Yay! Okay, now we got our stuff. Now we're going to go to the microwave. Oh, don't open the box. Okay, everyone, now go open the box. Yay! Open the box. No! Open the box. Open the box. Open the box. Pizza! Now I got it. There's the pizza, everyone. There's the pizza. Yeah, pizza. Okay, now getting serious. Okay, now since we have the pizza, now all we have to do is, God damn it! Get down. Get here. Okay. Come on. Get the pizza. Yeah! Get to the pizza! There. Okay, now so we have the pizza. Let's open it. First we need a plate. Okay, back to work. I am so sorry. Now let's get the pizza. Now, gotta take the wrapper off the pizza. Epically. First, take off the wrapper. Yeah, stupid thing. There! Now it fits the plate. Now I gotta take this to garbage. Yeah. Okay, now the pizza's right here, waiting. Now all we have to do is put it in the microwave. Yes, you heard me. The microwave. Yes. Okay, now, epically. Put it in the microwave. Yes. Now, take this pizza. The pizza. Yes, this pizza. Now, put it in this freaking... Damn it! Hold on, stay right there. Now I'm gonna take this freaking thing. Why is this up here? This stupid thing. Now, put this in the microwave. Right like that. Yeah, right there. Stay there! Stay there, you... Okay. Yeah, okay. Now, we put it up to... 35 minutes. Damn it! 2, 3, 5. You got that? Okay. There, that was rolling. Woohoo! Yeah! Boy, yeah! Go! Woo! Yeah, go big, stupid pizza! Big! For big! Yeah! Big! Yeah! We're still there! Almost there! Come on, pizza! Go! Pizza! Go! Pizza! Yeah! Woohoo! Pizza! What's that? Oh no! Pizza! I want pizza! Get in there! Pizza! Hurry up! Pizza! You know what? Pizza! Come in! Pizza! 1 minute! Come on, pizza! Please! Come on! Hurry up! You know what? Pizza. Please. 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 I know you're in there. Please. Just please. Please. Please, I beg of you. Hurry up and beg. I want to eat you. Why? Why, pizza? Why? Why, pizza? Wait a second. What? Pizza? Are you there? Pizza! Yeah! It's almost done! Yeah! Wait! Pizza! 3. Come on. What? 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Yes! Pizza! Finally! Pizza! And there it is, guys. The pizza. And oh crap, is this good? Okay. Whoa, and it gets this hot. And gets this. Okay. In. Haha! You can't touch me now, pizza. Yeah, I don't want to get burned. Come on, pizza. Come on, pizza. Come on. Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah, I gotcha, pizza. There it is, guys. The pizza of all termination. That is a pizza. And that's just only a pizza. No. It's the largest, most succulent, most everyday life. Oh, crap! Like I was saying, the best and only triple meat pizza. Look at that. And kids, and that's how you make a pizza. See ya!